I was early morning on Sesame Street. I sky was thick and dark. Everyone was still asleep. Everyone that is expecting Big Bird was why can't this go his net and listened. Hey Coop and Loki and Bro Terry no to play white. Hearing everybody Big Bird as thick every walk out you'll find some to play I say. Big Bird walk up the street and the broke corn. Here I coming biking stop inside and bikers waiting talk lovers of breaking out oven every here to Boosty to play side Big Bird. So went walking. Just called when coming you fruit and vegetables. I make a subject out inside outside the market. I fruity vegetables circuit were talking boxes of the fruits and vegetables of truck everyone hurry to boost to play side Big Bird went walking. Big Bird coming to police station and stop it. The police officer standing off straining line of inspector. Oh there, everyone I buzzing. It's morning, sighed Big Bird and we were walking. At newspaper and once you're selling in spouting buildings and newspapers. She's look buzzing play to side Big Bird. So went her walking. So Big Bird coming to one window white clocks in it. I the clock side 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock side Big Bird. I want super surprise that the time usually get up morning. I must be I'm early Big Bird today.